The deficit is going well so far for week 4. I'm about to do a little lower body workout. My salad is basically just lettuce and carrot. Chef's kiss. Roast chook with some roast vegetables. Tacos are gonna make me feel better. Good morning guys and happy Monday. Welcome to the start of a new weekly vlog and part 2, or technically part 3 to my mini cut series. So we are now in week 4. I think I did skip a week. I'm sorry. But yeah, the other day I posted week 2 and now we're into week 4. So yeah, I'm a week behind. Anywho, I am about to make my meal prep, so I thought I would show you guys what I'm making. I really didn't know what I wanted to make this week, so I thought I would just keep it simple, and I'm basically just doing a roast chook with some roast vegetables. Super easy. I've got pumpkin, spudlight potato, I'm gonna do zucchini, and probably like peas and corn, because I feel like you just can't go wrong with peas and corn with roast chook. So I'm gonna make that. Also, I have a couple of old bananas that I'm also thinking of making into muffins. I wish I could do banana bread, but honestly I just don't have the patience to wait like an hour for it to cook, and I feel like I always stuff it up. So I think I'm gonna do banana choc muffins. Okay guys, I've actually decided against banana muffins, and I'm actually gonna try my hand at creating banana peanut butter brownies. So I feel like it's really easy. You need like 4 or 5 ingredients. I'm gonna use PB2 because it is lower in calorie, but you can just use normal peanut butter or even almond butter if you don't love like the taste. You're gonna need some dark chocolate chips, some cacao powder, and an egg. Morning guys and happy Tuesday. So I just got home from my walk this morning. I ended up going for about an hour. I try to get 7k steps a day, which probably doesn't sound like a crazy amount considering I think the guidelines are like 10k steps a day, but as someone who works a desk job and also being in lockdown, I find it hard to get 10k steps. I feel like I'd have to go for like a 2-hour walk per day. Could just be me making excuses, but I like to set myself like kind of realistic goals, but also goals that push me, if that makes sense. So that's my tip to you guys. If you have goals you want to achieve, make sure you make them realistic. If I was to set myself up to hit 10k steps a day, I probably wouldn't actually do it. So I always try to set myself up with like semi-realistic goals, but also goals that push me to a degree, if that makes sense. Anywho, I'm just about to make a protein right now, and also gonna pop some creatine in it as well, and then I'm gonna do an upper body workout. So I'm just eating my lunch at the moment because I'm having pretty much the same lunch that I've had the last few days. So I haven't really shown you guys like every single day because it's just the meal prep I made with the roast chicken and the roast veg. However, today I decided to do a side salad, which is unheard of for me because I hate salad. I'm not a fan. I feel like it's just because I don't like the general ingredients people put in, like cucumbers and tomatoes and onion and things like that. I'm not a fan of. So my salad is basically just lettuce and carrot, but you know, it's still nutrients. I'm happy with it. So yeah, I just put some, like a tiny bit of Italian dressing on it. And yeah, it's such a nice day in Melbourne today. I think it's like 20 degrees, so that's just like all I craved. And I did cold chicken as well because I don't know, something about cold chicken on a hot day just reminds me of Christmas, and it's the best. I also have a little lemon lime and bitters here. Highly recommend. It's like a Waterford's, let me get it. This brand right here. It is so good. It's a lemon lime bitters, no added sugar, like mineral water kind of thing. I am obsessed. So yeah, I'm just having my lunch right now. And I guess while I'm here, I might as well do like a body update, I guess, as well. I'm starting to lean up a little bit more in my stomach, which usually is like the first thing to lean up. I don't think my legs have changed too much, and that's usually the part that I'm the most self-conscious of. But yeah, I definitely am starting to feel a little bit leaner and just overall have so much more energy. The deficit is going well so far for week 4. Alright, it is now time for dinner and we are making tacos. The kits were on sale, so we thought why not? And I think I forgot how much I love tacos, so it might have to be a regular occurrence in this household. But we're just doing like beef. We're going to grate up some carrot, lettuce, cheese. I feel like we're very basic when it comes to tacos.
So myself.
Do you look pretty?
No.
Of course you do. What are you doing, looking at houses?
Yeah.
Still on that house hunt, guys. If you've been watching our vlogs prior to lockdown, we were looking at houses, but obviously being in lockdown, you can't go to inspections, which honestly really sucks. I feel like it's a bit of a first world problem to complain about that, but it also is very annoying because we already wanted to buy this time last year and had to wait until this tax return, and then as soon as we could start looking, we've been in lockdown for the past like 6 weeks, and we got told today it's been extended by another 3 weeks until the end of September. So it doesn't look like we'll be getting a house this year. Isn't that sad?
That hasn't come to that yet.
But it will. Tacos are gonna make me feel better. I'm just gonna have 2 and Edie's gonna have the other 3. But if you're someone who likes volume food, I probably would turn this into like a taco bowl kind of thing, because 2 tacos is it's not a lot of food and it adds up very quickly. So yeah, if you're someone who likes high volume, I would highly recommend a burrito bowl. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking now and actually make food. Guys, and happy Thursday. So I'm about to do a little lower body workout this morning. Again, it's such a beautiful day, so I felt like I should do my workout now so that I can enjoy the sunshine for the rest of the day. So I thought I would show you my little outfit this morning. I'm wearing a Ride-A-Wear crop top. Can you see? It's like a leopard print. I'm not sure if you can tell on camera. And then the matching shorts. I'm not someone who usually wears shorts because I'm quite self-conscious of my legs, but it's like 25 degrees today, so I feel like I need them. But yeah, I will leave my discount code on the screen for Ride-A-Wear, and I'll also link them down below.
So won't you please stay or be alive?
know why I put makeup on before I worked out, because there's literally a patch of foundation now missing from my forehead. That was such a good workout, and I'm being a little bit cheeky because I didn't actually film all of it on the vlog. I filmed it all for Instagram and I'm gonna pop it up on like my feed. So if you don't already follow me on there, I'm gonna leave it right here. And yeah, if you want to see the workout, definitely go check it out. Especially if you're in lockdown, you only need a pair of dumbbells. So yeah, but now I'm going to make a protein smoothie. Super simple, super easy. This is my favorite smoothie recipe of all times. I call it my Snickers smoothie. You literally just need chocolate, protein powder, some peanut butter. I just use the PB2, a banana, preferably frozen, but it doesn't really matter. Got ice, and I'm also going to use some almond milk. So I'm literally just going to blend that all up, and it is chef's kiss. We're just on a little afternoon walk at the moment. Usually I work until like 6 p.m, so we don't usually get to like go for walks in the arvo, but I really want to go watch the sunset because it looks so nice from what I can see already, if you can tell. So let's hope it's still up by the time we get there. I don't usually vlog at this time because it's bedtime, but I'm about to have dessert and I feel like I need to share this with you because it's been my go-to this week and it is amazing. So it's very basic too, just FYI, but I'm using the YoPro strawberry yogurt, and tell me if I'm wrong, but I feel like this tastes so different to the small tubs. I don't know why, but this one is so much better, like in the big tub. I don't know why. Maybe it's just a placebo, I'm not sure. But then I'm also gonna add a tiny dash of this Hershey's chocolate syrup on top. These two things together makes for the absolute perfect dessert. Super low cal, but also really high in protein. It's just a match made in heaven.